Acanthaceae. Systematic position of family Acanthaceae. Angiosperms, dicotyledons, gamopetalae, bicarpellate, personales, Acanthaceae. There are about 240 genera and 2,200 species in this family. Distribution: the members of this family are mostly found in tropical and subtropical forests, especially in the damp and marshy places. Habit: usually they are herbs or shrubs. Trees are rarely found. Some are, however, xerophytic, such as Barleria, Bleparis, Acanthus, etc. Some plants are climbing in habit, for example, Mendonesia, Thumbergia, and other allied plants. Thumbergia alata is herbaceous twiner. Peristrophe bicalyculata, Andrographis paniculata, Runzia parvifolia, Ruelia prostrata, Justicia simplex, Hemigraphis species, Haplanthus species, etc. are typical examples of herbs. Several plants are under shrubs. Example: Barleria cristata, Ruelia tuberosa, Justicia betonica, Strobilanthus coloratus, Eranthemum pulchilium, etc. Some good examples of shrubs are Barleria alba, Barleria prionitis, Adathoda vasica, etc. Acanthus ilisifolius is a halophyte and represent mangrove vegetation. Leaves. The leaves of usual mesophytes are simple, usually opposite, decussate, entire, juxtipulate, thin and delicate. In xerophytes, the leaf blade is more or less spiny. The characteristics anatomical feature of the family is the presence of cystolith in the epidermal cells of leaves and stems. Sometimes double cystoliths are found. The cystoliths are calcium carbonate crystals. Inflorescence. The inflorescence is of cymose type. The dichasial sign passes into monochasial one in the higher branching. Sometimes the flowers are found to be arranged in the short axillary clusters. Spikes and racemes are also frequently found. Bracts and bracteoles generally well developed and often brightly colored. These bracts, etc., add to the beauty of the inflorescence. In the Mendonesia species and Thumbergia species, the bracteoles are large and form an involucre around the corolla. Around the corolla tube, the flowers of Dicliptera species are found to be arranged in the axillary peduncle sign. The flowers of Hyacinthus griffithii are arranged in typical sign. The flowers of Strobilanthus discolor are found to be arranged in panicle cymose head, whereas in Strobilanthus anisophilus these are arranged in cymose heads. In the species of Barleria, the flowers are either solitary or arranged in short spikes or pairs. In the species of Thumbergia, the flowers are found to be arranged either in cymose or in racemose type of inflorescence. This way, there is great variation in the type of inflorescence in various members of the family. Flower. The structure of flower is very uniform. The flowers are bracteate, bracteolate, hermaphrodite, complete, zygomorphic, irregular, and hypogynous. Usually, the flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous, but generally there is a reduction to 4 or 2 in the androecium, and there are 2 carpels in the gynoecium. Calyx. It consists of 5, sometimes 4, or rarely 3 sepals. Usually they are gamosepalous. In Thumbergia, the sepals are reduced to narrow beam. In this case, large bracteoles serve the purpose of protection. The aestivation is either contorted or imbricate. Corolla. Usually it consists of 5 or sometimes 4 gamopetalous petals. The corolla is often bilabiate. Example in Ruelia. In such a cases, the upper leaf of the corolla is erect and bifid at the apex, and the lower leaf is horizontal. and 3 lobes, forming the landing platform for the insects. Usually, the corolla possesses a large or short, slender corolla tube, which passes above into an equally 5 lobe limbs. Example, in Thumbergia, the inner side of the lip of the corolla possesses dense hair. These hairs often extend to the mouth of the corolla. In Acanthus and other allied genera, the upper lip of corolla is altogether absent. Here, the corolla is found to be cut up to the base of the corolla tube. The estivation is either contorted or imbricate. Androecium. Usually, there are 4 didynamous stamens. In certain cases, only 2 stamens are found. Very rarely, the number of fertile stamens reaches to 5. For example, pent stamenoacanthus, in the case where there are only 4 stamens, the fifth posterior stamens reduce to a staminode or disappear completely. In the Imbricati group of the family, there are only 2 stamens. In such a case, firstly, the posterior stamens reduce to staminodes or disappear completely. However, in Brillantia, the anterior pair of stamens reduce to staminodes. The filaments are generally quite free and project out from the mouth of the corolla tube. The stamens of Thumbergia are also short and remain inside the corolla tube. The stamens are inserted in the corolla, that is epipetalous. The anthers may be 2 or 1 cell. In the cases where 1 cell anthers are found, a rudiment of the second cells may be seen, whereas in the case of 2 cell anthers, the cells are equal and more or less separated by a connective. Sometimes the lower cells of the anther become spurred. The shape and size of pollen grains are quite different from genus to genus. Gynoecium. The gynoecium consists of 2 carpels. Syncarpus, the ori superior, bilocular, 2 or more ovules are found in each locule. The placentation is exiled. The style is long and slender and projects out from the mouth of the corolla tube. There are 2 small stigmas. The posterior stigma is usually reduced. Fruits. Usually the fruit is bilocular capsule, which dehisces loculicidally. In Mendoncia, the fruit is drupe. Seeds. In Nelsonia, the seeds are small and many. In Nelsonia and Thumbergia, the funicle of the seeds form a papilla. The seeds are rounded in the Acanthus and allied genera. Example, Ruellia, the funicle of the seeds form a hood-like projection known as jaculator, in which the seed rests. This hook-like jaculator make the fruit burst and the seeds become dispersed in different directions. The seeds are exalbuminous. Pollination. The pollination takes place through the agency of insect. Floral formula, zygomorphic, bisexual, K4 to 5U united, C4 to 5U epipetalous, A4 or 2, G2 united and superior ovary. Description of some important plants in uh, semi-technical languages. Barleria prionitis habit a prickly, bushy shrubs, root, tap and branch, stem erect, branch, woody, slightly angular, solid, glabrous, green. Leaf, simple, opposite, decussate, upper leaves short, petiole, lower leaves long, petiole, interpetiolar spines, lanceolate, entire, acute, unicostate, reticulate venation. Inflorescence a terminal spike, lower flowers arranged in cymes. Flowers sessile, leafy bracts, bracteolate, 6 bracteoles, 2 large and 4 small, narrow and spiny at the tips, hermaphrodite, zygomorphic and hypogynous. Calyx, Sepals, 4 sepals, polycephalous, slightly connate at the base, cephaloid, arranged in 2 varels of 2 each, 2 outer bigger and inner smaller, inferior, imbricate estivation. Corolla, 5 petals, gamopetalous, slightly bilabiate, upper lip consisting of 4 lobes and the lower of single lobes, inferior, imbricate estivation, yellowish in color. Androecium, 4 stamens, 2 stamens large and 2 small, epipetalous. Sometimes fifth stamens is represented by staminodes. Anthers, bicell, dorsifix. Gynoecium, bicarpillary, syncarpous, ovary superior, bilocular, axa in placentation. 1 ovule in each locule. Style terminal, stigma, slightly elongated, ovary situated on a honey secreting disc, fruit and elongated capsule. Floral formula, zygomorphic, bisexual, K 2 plus 2, C 4 plus 1, epipetalous, A4, G2, united and superior ovary. This is the acanthis member Ruellia prostrata. Thank you.